Hello Gifty babes, welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you our lace closure sewing. This style is perfect for our clients who want full coverage, no leave out at all. The con to this style is the maintenance. In about 2 weeks, you might have to come back for your closure touch up, and removal is set at 1 month. But some clients, I actually had one client and she kept her install, no maintenance, for a complete month. It was fabulous. So depending on how you do your at-home care, your hair is going to last very long. I do have a detailed tutorial on our sewing. So we did our base sewing install using the tracks and needle and thread to apply the hair to the client's head. I'm using 3 bundles. The client did provide her own hair, and we're using 3 bundles of that with a lace closure sewing, which is a 5x5 lace. I'm attaching the hair using the needle and thread, and this install is going to last my client about a month with a 2 weeks maintenance in between. The process of the lace closure sewing is I start off by shampoo, blowing out, prepping my client's real hair, braiding her down, and then sewing the bundles, at least one bundle in the back. Then I'll go to the front of my client's hair and put on the lace closure sewing. Boom! Do you see that? That is so beautiful, so flush, so seamless. Lace closure sewing from GiiftiHair.com. The bundles was not provided by us. She did provide her own hair. We do offer bundles and install deals on our booking page. And if you're just shopping for hair, we do have bundles. And we're going to be putting closures on the website. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to the website for updates. Also, like, comment, and share this video. So now that we have the closure sewn in, we're going to use the Giifti headband. This band is so versatile. You can use it to melt your lace. You can use it in the gym. You can use it just to pull your hair back. So check out giiftihair.com for our Giifti bands. Beautiful, secure. We're going to leave the Giifti bands on the client's head and let that sit, process, and do its thing. And I finish up the back of the head by applying the other 2 bundles. So I like to pull one bundle, then do the closure, complete the closure, and then repeat the same process with the bundles for the other 2 tracks that we have. Now it's all done. I went ahead and laid her edges. I wrapped her down, put some water in the hair, just detangling. And right now, so we're talking about the hair. The hair quality is not that good, but it's gonna work for right now. Like, and I made it work, made it look real cute. She wanted just some light baby hair, so I went ahead and laid her edges down, and we're just talking, cracking up, just enjoying ourselves. When you come and get your hair done at Giifti, just know that it's gonna be very comfortable. You're gonna be in a very safe environment, and I allow my clients to tell me what they're looking for, what they need, so I'm able to listen to your requests and then give you my professional expertise or advice to achieve the look that you're looking for. And for her, she did want something low maintenance, temporary, cute style. So the lace and full coverage. Lace closure sewing, key benefit is the full coverage of your hair completely being braided down with the lace closure covering the front portion of your hair. Everything is completely covered. So if that is what you're looking for, a full coverage, temporary hairstyle, the lace closure sewing would be perfect from giiftihair.com. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Every Friday at 9 p.m. Check out a new video on Giifti Hair channel.